Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disconnect headphone in our Poco phone. Friends, you want to disconnect your headphone in your Poco phone. So friends, you can disconnect, and friends, now let's see how to disconnect headphone in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how to disconnect headphone to our Poco phone. Now we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, click on your Bluetooth setting guys, and friends you can see that we have connected guys this headphone and we want to disconnect. So right side arrow guys, tap here friends, you can see unpair option mean disconnect guys, tap here to disconnect. As you can see disconnected. So we will off our phone Bluetooth setting. So like that guys, you can disconnect your headphone to your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys. Sorry friends, I paused the video guys, you can see headphone will disconnect, we will off it. So thanks for watching, bye guys.